Hey, welcome to the Daily Dose. Let's dig into it. Let's talk about bookkeeping and accounting. Should you do that yourself? The answer is, please don't, okay? And here's the reason why. When it comes to taxes and bookkeeping and all those things, I mean, would you walk into an operating room and do a heart surgery? No, you wouldn't. So there again, stay in your superpower of what you do best and outsource those other things. And if you do that, you stay compliant, you stay within regulations, and you don't have the IRS on your shit about something that you could have prevented, all right? Don't do that stuff yourself. Outsource it to a professional to do it, just like you would expect your clients to outsource to you, all right? See you on the next dose. I hope you found this video useful. Follow me right here on YouTube for more great content daily. Download my international best-selling book, Be Good, Be Brief, Be Gone, for absolutely free at growfast.club. I say again, download my book at growfast.club for all of my 7-figure growth hacks. Get your copy now while it's still free.
There it is. Magnum. Holy moly.
Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for!
Dear God. It's beautiful.